Hello and welcome to Piping Dunia. This is Saurabh Kumar. Today we are going to learn some ASME codes which are used by piping experts and designers. This video will help you to increase your knowledge and you will memorize these basic code by watching this video twice or thrice. So let's begin to learn. Starting with B31 series, that is B31.1, which is used for power piping, B31.2 which is used for fuel gas piping, B31.3 used for process piping, B31.4 used for pipelines transportation system for liquid hydrocarbons and other liquids, B31.5 refrigeration piping and heat transfer component, B31.8 gas transmission and distribution piping system, B31.85 managing system integrity of gas pipelines, B31.9 building services piping, B31.11 slurry transportation piping system, B31.12 hydrogen piping and pipelines, B31G manual for determining remaining strength of corroded pipes. Now we are going to give you a brief introduction of B31.1, that is power piping. This code is basically prescribed for design, material, fabrication, erection, test, inspection, operation and maintenance of piping system. Typically these codes are used in electric power generating system stations, industrial and institutional plants, geothermal heating system and central and district heating and cooling system. It also covers boiler external piping for power boilers and high temperature high pressure water boilers in which steam or vapors is generated at a pressure of more than 15 psi and high temperature water is generated at a pressure of exceeding 160 psi, temperature exceeding 250 degree Fahrenheit. Now coming up to the next code, that is ASME B31.4. This code prescribes the requirements of design, material, construction, assembly, inspection, testing, operation and maintenance of piping transporting auxiliary of non-hazardous material such as coal, minerals, ores, concentrates and other solid materials between slurry process and plant terminal. It also includes hanger supports and other equipment item necessary to prevent overstressing the pressure containing parts. It does not include the support structure such as frames of buildings and foundations of any equipments. Now coming up to the next code, that is ASME B31.5. It covers the refrigerant, heat transfer component and secondary coolant for the piping temperature as low as minus 32 degree Fahrenheit, that is approx minus 96 degrees Celsius. This code does not apply to any self-contained or unit system subjected to the requirements of underwriters laboratories. It also does not apply to the water piping designed for the external and internal gauge pressure not exceeding 15 psi, that is 105 kilopascals, regardless of size and pressure, compressor, and pumps. However, B31.5 does includes all connecting refrigerants and secondary coolant piping starting at the first joint adjacent to such apparatus. Now coming up to the next code, that is ASME B31.8 gas transmission and distribution. This code covers the design, fabrication, installation, inspection, testing and other aspects of operation and maintenance of gas transmission and distribution system. This also includes the gas metering and regulation station, gas metering and service line up to the outlet of the customer meter sets assembly. This code is used in cross-country pipeline system also. Now coming up to the next code, that is B31.9. This code has rules for piping in industrial, commercial, public building, multi-unit residence. This code does not require the range of sizes, pressure and temperature as covered in B31.1, that is code for power piping. This code include the piping system either in building or within the property limit. This code prescribes comprehensive solution for design material, fabrication, installation, inspection, testing of piping system for building services. This code joins with ASME many other soft standards code such as A17 series on elevators and accelerators, B30 series on cranes, hoists and lifts, A1112 series on plumbing.